Hi guys, today I'm going to be building a Lego puzzle box and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to take it layer by layer, 3 layers, and then you will need like a Lego dollar bill or special Lego piece that you have to get out. That is basically the whole point of Lego boxes. So I'm going to do it layer by layer, as I said before, and well, for the first layer, these are the pieces that you will need. You'll need those pieces to build the first layer. So if you feel free to pause the video and go grab those pieces if you want to follow along, or if you just want to watch, feel free to do that. So first things first, you need to take this piece and this piece that goes there. Quick mistake. We do not need this piece or this piece. but we do need one of these to go in here. There. So yeah, now we are done with the first section. It is not complete yet, but let's look at the second section. These are the pieces. Feel free to go grab those if you want. Feel free to pause the video at any time. Okay, let's start. So take this big piece, start top simply. It doesn't really matter how you put this part together. Just kind of fit these on top. And then you should get something close to this. Then you flip it over, take one of these, place. Okay, then this is done. You should have the back look like this. The front look close to this. Feel free to adjust some pieces if you need to. And then you take both pieces and then you just snap it on. And then basically you just put the Lego dollar bill in here. And then to solve. It is actually pretty easy. It's probably only like a level 1. So you could, if you're new to the box, you'd probably just notice shove it in here, shove in here. How about this one in here? How about that one right there? Oh, look, that piece came out. Ooh, wait, no, that came out of right there. Ooh, and who cares? And then to get the Lego dollar bill out, you push it into here, and then that piece, there should be something coming out of right here. Then just push into like right here or something. If you do that, that piece is a bit off. If you do that, push into here. You will get the Lego money. This Lego box right here will be necessary for another upcoming video that I think will be pretty interesting. Click to subscribe so you know when that comes out. See you then.